Good morning students. Today we will continue brain teaser's problem of variation question. Question number 3. If x and y vary inversely, this is brain teaser's question number 3. So simply we will draw a chart and value of x, y, whatever given, that will put. This is 25, this is 3, and find the y when x is 15. So x is 15, we have to find value of y. So and this is the inverse variation. So by this way you can find the value. Question number 4. It is given x and y vary inversely. So here once again value of x and y. If y is equal to 45, y is 45 and the constant of variation is 9. Here new word is there. Constant of variation means product of these two values are 9, means their product already given. So here we can write x into y, product of this should be product of this. So this x into 45. So this is given 9. X into 45 is equal to x into y. So x into 45. So x value will be 9 upon 45. So 9 1 ja 9, 9 5 ja this. So x value is 1 upon 5. This is your answer. So this is new thing. Once again you see, it is given that they are very inversely and constant of variation is 9, means their product is given 9, separately not given. Constant of variation, it means only their product will be there. When it is given inverse direct variation, at that time constant of variation means their cross multiplication product will be same, but 9. But here it is inverse variation, that is why product of these two will be 9. So x into y multiplied is equal to this x into 45. So this product is 9 given. So we can solve by this way this question. This is only different, rest all questions are same. Question number 5. This is very easy. Put this value in the box. What two things are given? Orange cost and 3 dozen soup. What is the cost of 8 oranges? So cost in rupees and number of oranges. Cost and number of oranges. So when the cost is 54, how many oranges we can purchase? 3 dozen. 3 dozen means 36 pieces. And when what is the cost of 8 oranges? 8 oranges means 8 oranges, and here we will write x. So this is which variation? This is the direct variation, because for more number of oranges cost will be more. So by cross multiplication you can find the value of this. Now question number next 6. Question number 6 is there. It is given a car travels 60 km in 1.5 minutes. How long it will cover a distance of 100? So this is also very easy. What two things we have to compare? Distance in kilometer, and time in hours. Time in hours. So we have to write with like this with unit. When it is 60 km, how much time is required? 1 hour and 30 minutes. There are 2 units are there. So this can be written as 1.5 hours. It means, how we can write this? 3 upon 2. We can write 3 upon 2 hours. So this will be converted by this way. So 3 upon 2 hours, and distance 100 km, and here we will write x. Which variation? Think over this. Distance and time. For the more distance we need more time, so this will be direct variation. So by cross multiplication you can find the value of this. Question number, okay, up to 6 only today you solve. So what is today's homework? Your homework is question number 3, 4, 5 and 6 of brain teasers. Okay, thank you.